The following MC-LED devices are in use in this tutorial. Step 1. Start Hue app in order to add the LED controller. In the lower right corner, click Settings. Then click on Lights icon. And now click on Add Lights. Click on Search button. Discovering will take about 20 seconds. Step 2. Set the LED controller into pairing mode by performing factory reset manually. Short press programming key on the LED controller 5 times. New device found, LEDs flashes 5 times quickly for confirmation. Now click on the button, Start Configuration, then you can assign a name for the lamp. In this tutorial we call it Light 1. And select the stripe icon at the bottom. Then click on Done. Use drag and drop to assign the LEDs to a room. The LED controller is successfully configured and can be controlled with Hue app. Click on the arrow at the top left, you will be back in Settings. Step 3. Pair MC LED remote control with Hue bridge. To do this, click on Accessories, and then on Add Accessories. Select Dimmer Switch, and at the following question, click on No. In Hue app click, LED is blinking. Next steps, start Zigbee pairing mode on MC LED remote control. Press and hold down the on-off button on the remote control until LED indicator turns on. Short press S1 button on the remote control, indicator LED will flash several times. Indicator LED flashes several times when the remote control has been detected. Cancel the search now. Click several times on the back arrow at the top left, and return to the settings. Step 4. Pair the MC LED remote control with the LED controller via touch link. Bring the remote close to the LED controller, less than 10 centimeters. Press the prog key on LED controller 4 times quickly, to start touch link pairing mode. Short press one of the 4 group buttons that the device should link to. Now press the on-off button, on the remote control, until the indicator LED lights up permanently. Finally, press the S2 button briefly. Indicator LED on the remote control lights up quickly for 3 seconds and then 6 times slowly. If the touch link has been successfully set up, the connected LEDs light up several times. MC LED remote control and Hue app can now control the connected LEDs.